Did you get into real estate for the dream career? To make a genuine difference for others, but find the reality of run-of-the-mill listings not quite what you imagined? It doesn't have to be that way. You can now access tools that can improve the quality of the stock that you list, reduce time on market by 13 days, and increase your commission by 10%. The PRD Nationwide Your Green Guide will show you why stakeholders in the residential property purchase cycle need to have a deeper understanding of the benefits and outcomes of sustainable housing. The guide is backed by extensive research from the industry and QUT through an ARC linkage project funded by the federal government and industry partners. Sustainability in housing means different things for different people. Experts in real estate have grouped sustainability features into 5 key categories. Spatial planning. This is the size, layout, and functionality of the property. Occupant health and safety. Security and safety around the home and the health of the indoor environment. Occupant comfort through the control of internal temperature, airflow, natural light, and acoustics. Operation and services, including water and energy connections, which impact on long-term running costs. And building durability, the lifespan of the home, with consideration to construction methods and materials. Your Green Guide provides important information about features in these 5 categories. This information will benefit buyers, sellers, and importantly, your bottom line. 7 benefits of promoting sustainable housing are more savings on utility bills and maintenance, reduced construction materials and emissions, less days to sell listed properties, improved comfort and long-term lifestyle, higher median price, higher resale value, and informed decision-making. Using Your Green Guide is simple and straightforward. With a few details included in advertisements, you can invigorate your passion for creating dreams and making a difference. You can increase your commission, list properties that have a higher resale value, and take less days to sell your listed properties.